Let me ask you a question. When was the last time you read a company's glossy sustainability report and genuinely trusted it? As in, you believed that what was written on those pages actually reflected what was happening inside the company. That the risks they described were the real risks. That the targets they set were genuine intentions, not just the ones they knew they could achieve. That you were seeing a true picture of the good and the bad. This isn't just a hypothetical. This exact question gets asked in boardrooms. It's put to the CFOs who sign off on the report, to the sustainability directors who spend 8 months producing it, even to the assurers paid to review it. And the honest answer from almost all of them is some version of, not really. Now, it's not because the numbers are necessarily faked, or that the auditors didn't follow the methodology. It's because everyone in the room knows, at some level, that the report was constructed to present the most favorable version of a complicated truth. They know that what didn't make it into the document is probably more interesting than what did. That gap creates a massive trust problem. If a sustainability report is treated as just a compliance tool, a box to be ticked, then we will forever have this problem. People simply won't believe the entire story is being told, even with a dozen signatures on it. In the end, trust is the only real currency we have in corporate communication. And without it, those reports are just telling a story we all know is missing the final chapter.